AdSense Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to AdSense and recommended monetization alternatives are in the description. Now let's get straight to the review. Google AdSense is not a traditional affiliate network, but rather a contextual advertising program that allows website owners and content creators to earn money by displaying ads. Instead of promoting specific products like an affiliate network, AdSense pays publishers based on ad impressions and clicks. It's one of the easiest ways to monetize a website or blog, making it a popular choice for beginners and experienced marketers alike. AdSense is ideal for those with consistent traffic who want a passive income stream without actively selling or promoting products. Features. AdSense uses Google's advanced AI to display targeted ads that match the content of your website and the interests of your visitors. The platform supports multiple ad formats, including display ads, in-feed ads, in-article ads, and auto ads, which optimize placements for maximum revenue. AdSense automatically handles ad auctions, selecting the highest-paying advertisers in real time to maximize your earnings. Payments are processed monthly, with various withdrawal options like direct deposit, wire transfer, and checks. The platform is fully integrated with Google Analytics, allowing you to track performance and optimize revenue. Now, strengths. The biggest advantage of AdSense is its ease of use. Once approved, all you need to do is place the ad code on your site, and Google takes care of the rest. The program is free to join and requires no direct product promotion, making it perfect for passive income. Since ads are automatically optimized, publishers don't need to manage affiliate links or constantly update promotions. Additionally, AdSense benefits from Google's massive advertiser base, ensuring high ad demand and competitive payouts. It also supports a global audience, meaning publishers from almost any country can participate. Weaknesses. Despite its simplicity, AdSense has some drawbacks. The approval process can be strict, and many applications are rejected due to low-quality content or policy violations. Earnings per click (EPC) can be low, especially for niches with weak advertiser competition, meaning you need substantial traffic to generate significant income. Additionally, AdSense has strict rules, and violations such as accidental click fraud or policy breaches can lead to account suspension or bans. Compared to affiliate marketing, where commissions can be much higher, AdSense is less profitable for those with smaller audiences. Final verdict. AdSense is a great monetization option for website owners looking for an easy, hands-off way to earn money from their content. It's beginner-friendly, reliable, and backed by Google's powerful ad network. However, it requires high traffic to generate significant income, and strict policies can be a challenge for some publishers. If you want to maximize earnings, consider combining AdSense with affiliate marketing or other monetization methods. Check the links in the description for recommended programs. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more online income strategies.